Hello, I'm Jerry Fort, the beer review guy. I've got a Belgian style ale. It's a Songbird. It's called Songbird and it's a Saison. Songbird Saison. A refreshingly tart ale with citrus notes and a light dry finish. It is... It's a 4.8% ABV. It's a pint can. I think that's about it. Yeah. Yeah, it just has a bird on there. It's just singing away. There's been only one other review on this beer that I can find. From Tallgrass Brewing Company. I may have only had maybe one other Saison that I remember. Alright. Belgian style ale. About a finger of head. Head is white. The beer appearance is very hazy. Oh. Whoa. What in the world? That looks very funny. I gotta show you guys this. Let's see. See those in the bottom of the glass? Looks like someone destroyed an alien and threw it into the can of beer. Just looks like little pieces of straw or grass or something. That is weird. I don't know if I've ever seen that before. I mean, the beer doesn't smell bad, but I've never seen the chunks in there that look like grass. That's kind of funky looking to me. Okay. It looks like a glass of tangerine juice or something. Like a, well, it has an appearance of an IPA too. It's just a deep orange kind of color. Yeah, I'm getting some citrus notes. Smells kind of a sweet aroma, kind of mangoish. There's something else in there, like a, well, there's a bitter fruit. I don't think it's grapefruit. I think it's more like a, maybe an orange peel. It smells good. Them weird little insect legs in the bottom of the glass just kind of freaks me out a little bit. But we're going to go ahead with it and just take a chance that I don't turn into a spider or something when I'm trying to sleep. Carbonation is light. It's got a medium body. I don't see any carbonation. There is like an orange peel type of a taste. A lot of times you see oh shoot, I just lost it. when they bottle condition stuff, there's, you know, they put stuff in to bottle condition it, but the stuff they put in, it doesn't bother you, cause, I mean, it doesn't bother you by the looks, because it looks, they're just like little chunks of stuff. But these look like pieces of grass. So I don't know if they bottle condition with actual barley, wheat, barley strains, or what. So it doesn't say anything on it about it. I'm going to be curious, so I'll probably look into this and see. But okay, let's see what else we get. Yeah, it does have a tart mouth feel to it. It's kind of sour, kind of gets to the glands a little bit. There's a little bit of a dry effect and a little bit of a light, bitter, hoppy finish to it also. Is that what it said? Light, dry finish. Citrus notes. Yeah, tart ale. This is 4 months old. Drink by 9/10 of 16. Yeah, it's like 4 months old. But it tastes pretty good. I'll drink it, excuse me, until I get down to the bottom of the glass, and then I'll spoon out what's down in there, put it in a baggie. I'll take it to the college and have them do a see what it is. Do a little DNA type. I'm just kidding. It's good. It's a good beer. I'm not going to chew on those things in the bottom though. I refuse. I want to get, when I get down the bottom of the glass, I want to get one and just kind of feel it and see what it feels like. See if they're stiff enough that I could clean my teeth with it or something. Like toothpicks. Alright, I'm going to end this silliness. I appreciate you watching. Hope you watch the next one. We will see you on the next one. Bye.